Hello everyone, welcome to Plabita's tutorials. Friends, if you're a regular viewer of my channel, then what you have to do? Yes, you already know it. Yes, you have to hit the like button, share my channel with your friends and families, and if you're completely new, then you have to subscribe my channel and also tap the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you don't want to miss anything of this video, then you have to watch the video till the end. So friends, today in a video of vocab series for competitive examinations, I have chosen 5 phrases and idioms for you so that you can learn it and note it down for future for your competitive examinations. Okay, and the thing is that I have chosen it to the alphabet series. Okay, I will upload videos on phrases and idioms in the alphabet series so that it will be easier for you to note it down and memorize it. Okay. So the first idiomatic phrase is like this: a clean sheet. A clean sheet is the idiomatic phrase and its meaning is a clean or creditable record. I repeat, it means a clean or creditable record. And I have given you an example so that you can understand it. You fail to maintain a clean sheet budget of your company. I think you have understood it. That means the person has failed to maintain a clear record of the company, of the budget of the company. So this is the meaning of the word clean sheet. So idiomatic phrase or phrases and idioms means already you know that it has a different meaning. Okay, it has a different special meaning beyond the literal meaning, that is known as idiomatic phrase or phrases and idioms. Okay, so this is very important, and for the competitive exam aspirants, you have to learn this. So I have tried to upload and I have selected such kind of only phrases so that it is important for you. Okay, then the second phrase is a feather in one's cap. Feather in one's cap means an award or a credit. Look, the phrase is a feather in one's cap. That means you may think that there is a feather in the cap, but look, it has a different little special meaning, and the meaning is an award or a credit. And its sentence is like this: work hard to add a feather in your cap. That means you have to work hard to get an award or a credit, not the cap, the physical cap which will have a feather, but you have to work hard to get an award. Okay, this is the second phrase for today. Then the third one is like this: a fly on the wall. Don't think that a fly on the wall means there is a wall and there is a fly over it. It is not that. Its special meaning is that a person who watches from others secretly. You sometimes meet such kind of people when, yes or no, when you were gossiping something, a person is watching from far away and listening whatever you are talking, and he might also complain about your gossips to other person also. So this is known as a fly on the wall, and I have given an example. The example is: he heard all the secrets by becoming a fly on the wall. That means whatever the secrets you had behind you were heard by that person. That is known as a fly on the wall. Then the fourth one is a lame duck. Lame duck means a person or organization that is in trouble and need help. That means someone is in trouble and they need your help. That is known as a lame duck. And I have given an example: he has become a lame duck now. Clear? I hope you have understood the meaning of the phrase, that that person is in trouble and he needs your help is the meaning which I have tried to suggest to this kind of example. Then the last one is a rule of thumb. A rule of thumb is the last idiomatic phrase, and its meaning is a rough estimate or measurement. That means roughly you have measured something. That is the meaning of this idiomatic phrase. And an example I have given here is that: give me the details of the budget in a rough rule of thumb. So that means you need the rough estimation of the budget. So this is the meaning of the phrase or idiom, a rule of thumb. So for today, these are the 5 idiomatic phrases which I have collected for you, and I hope that it will be helpful for you. Okay, and so for today, thank you.